This video explains how to register a company in Indonesia in clear, simple steps, presented by 3E Accounting. Choose your structure. PT is for local owners. PTPMA is for foreign investment. Decide your main business activity and the KBLI code. Select a clear, unique company name that follows Indonesia's rules. Keep a backup name in case the first is taken. Prepare your shareholders, at least one director and one commissioner, and a registered office address in Indonesia. A notary drafts the deed and articles of association in Indonesian. Shareholders review and sign. The notary files for approval. After approval, your company becomes a legal entity in Indonesia. Use the OSS system to get your business identification number, called NIB, and risk-based licenses needed for your activity. Register for your tax number, called NPWP. If required, register for VAT and any extra sector licenses your business needs. Open a corporate bank account. Set up payroll. When you hire staff, register them for BPJS Kesehatan and BPJS Ketenaga Kerjaan. Keep good accounts, file taxes on time, maintain company records, and submit any investment reports if you are a PTPMA. Your company is ready to operate and grow in Indonesia. If you want expert support at any step, 3E Accounting can help.